People are the driving force behind what we do at Siemens. We are focused on making real what matters. We are the company that is looking forward to bringing the real world and the digital or the virtual worlds together.
Our global business service centers around the world are processing 10 million invoices, 6 million pay slips, 700,000 orders, nearly 10 million transactional orders. We are driving shared service at scale. What was vital for us, that we don't have silos of IT. We wanted to create one platform that is used by each of the business lines, because we are heavily believing in platforms and scaling platforms.
Our vision from a GBS point of view in regards to automation is we want to reduce the amount of manual tasks and increase the amount of automation to increase the productivity for us and for our customers. Having a one-stop shop where you can go to regarding your interaction with our organization GBS is a huge benefit. One of the key benefits of rolling out a global ecosystem and a platform like that is that you inherently standardize a lot of the processes. And the second thing is we're generating now consistent data across all of them, so we have a certain transparency with SLAs that we didn't have in the past. And this is then the basis to generate some insights.
Onboarding is an important constituent at setting the people experience as soon as they join. It is the platform where we are seamlessly connecting many solutions that don't have to be visible to the end user. With ServiceNow, we are making the user experience simpler and smoother, and in turn making the people more productive.
It's all about impact. It's really solving a business challenge. And that's why we are really measuring the results. First step is really using the data that is in ServiceNow. We are seeing continuous improvement on employee satisfaction as well as on user satisfaction. So if we are looking to user satisfaction, we are at an 8.8 on a scale to 10. On an employee perspective, we are getting an 87% feedback that they are enjoying their work, and that's also a really good signal. I mean, what really motivates me, how technology can generate new services, how technology can generate new working environments for the employees, and that really makes me passionate of saying, hey, we can really do a lot with technology and changing the world to a better place.